Hello, I'm Bill with Millennium Sounds. Welcome to the Motor District Garage that we are going to do with Millennium Sounds. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour. So this is a garage space. When we bought the unit, it is kind of rough drywalled, and then you come in and finish the space. So back here on this back wall, we're going to have a TV, some toolboxes, a small half bathroom, and then here's our mechanical closet. Of course, Millennium Sounds will have complete home automation, speakers, alarm system, security, and we're also going to do a central vac in this unit. And then over here, we've reserved this space for our racing simulator, so stay tuned to check that out, and then I'll take you upstairs. So now that we're upstairs, we'll talk a little bit about here. This is our full bathroom, which in this bathroom, I'll take you in here. We'll have a full walk-in shower with a marble tile backsplash, glass doors, vanity, toilet. And then out here in this space, we're gonna have a full kitchen. So refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, stove, and then under cabinets, upper cabinets. And then of course in this unit, we're gonna put in some really cool 4-inch can lights upstairs as well as downstairs. This lighting will get replaced. And then over here, we're gonna have a large, probably 75-inch TV and surround sound couch. And then over here, we're gonna have a half wall with a full bar top and plenty of seating over here overlooking the mezzanine. So thanks for touring our new space. It's in progress. We'll keep you guys up to date with the new features and progress that we're making. If you want to, check out motor-district.com and check out their progress and the units they have for sale. And be sure to check us out on Millennium Sounds at Facebook and Instagram also for updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.